Hey guys, welcome back to Squirrel Stapler. Let's jump right into it. Today we should be on day 2. Yep, this is where we left off last time. Stapled some squirrels. We did the thing. We just gotta do other stuff now. So this should be the next day. This change. Book of the Grove, chapter 4, verse 2. For the bushy tail is righteous in the All-Mother's sight, and the chattering voice divine. Should that which is divine be adhered to that which is not divine? By no means. I don't know what I just read. Probably didn't even read it right. Anyway, anything cool in here yet? Nope. In 5 days still. Awesome. Alright, let's go hunting. We're going hunting. Got my gun. Today I must hunt the big squirrel. I don't know if I should take these, but I'm gonna anyway. See, I've always been weary about taking those, but I don't care that the grass is poisonous anymore. Tip of the day: use the map tab to orient yourself. Use the call F to track and lure big squirrels. My mouse is bugging. Oh my god. You can run, control, use your ears. Yeah, okay. It's all the same stuff. Oh. Alright, so let's see here. Ahead of us. Hearing stuff. Well, okay. I have no idea what the heck is going on. So I gotta get 3 regular squirrels and only 1 big squirrel. Alright. I don't know if you guys were hearing that, but my mouse was disconnected a bunch. Because my mouse is garbage. I won't cut that out though, because frankly, I don't really feel like it. Where's the other one? I know there's another one out here. This is... Also, I've been told by my friend, I know what the little light bulb means. It means visibility. So, it says right now that I'm not that visible. There's a fatty nearby. Gotta do the whale call. Also, I know what these are. Oh, I do gotta explore all of those, actually. There's one right there. Oh, you are not running away from me. Yeah, he thought he could get away. thought wrong. Fruit, they have been known to eat insects, birds, eggs, and even animal carcasses. Okay, that was a new note. Double squirrel. Alright, so I'm done with that. Just gotta find the fatties. Sounds like it's coming from over here. This way. Yep. Okay, I don't know if I'm insane, but I swear to God I heard someone whisper in my ear, come back. What the? What the hell is that? There it is. Empty. Oh, you are not making it out of here alive, buddy. Okay. So there's oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna die. Hold on, there should be a heal around here somewhere. Over there. Okay. So there's ghost squirrels, which I didn't know about. And they do a lot of damage. I don't like that. Alright, so ghost squirrels are gonna be a problem. They seem to spawn every time I kill a squirrel. Luckily, though, there's a heal right here that I remembered. So I should be fine now. It takes about, what, 4 or 5 of them, it seems, to kill me. Is there anything up here? Root bear! Oh, hold on, I gotta get the root bear. Let me get the root bear. Oh, root bear. What if there's fall damage? Alright, so is there... Oh, there's a heal right there. What? Alright, is this part 2? Lady part 2. The artist was inconsolable and spent his days weeping and taking his portrait on long walks in the rain. On one of these walks he encountered an old woman who said, "Ah, young man, I can see the reason for your despair. Come with me." For a few pennies, she said, his treasured painting could be brought to life. The artist was overjoyed, and the spell was cast. Only then did he remember that he had only painted the woman from the waist up. Oh, that's like, from the waist up. Yeah, isn't that like a little horror story on YouTube, like some, I mean not horror, but like there's like some Japanese short film on YouTube where this kid is like drawing in a sketchbook and like whatever he draws comes to life. There's that, and I know that yeah, whatever he draws comes to life, and like at the end he draws like a woman's body. It's like he draws boobs and stuff, and everything he draws like appears in his cabinet. So he draws like boobs, and then it like goes like a woman opens the cabinet, but it ends before we see the full thing, so we don't know if it was like just the torso or like a full woman. But open the cabinet, so it was alive. Yeah. What the? Alright, so I guess I go this way. West. Alright, I should pay more attention to the compass. So yeah, where I need to go is west. It's northwest, okay. Yeah. Robert. Yeah, those squirrels were scary, man. What is this? A male squirrel can smell a female in heat from up to a mile away. That's cool. I can smell you from up to a mile away. P.U. Alright, am I going the right way? I am. So, I want to check up the report, check on that. I'll probably do sins again, because like, I don't see any problem with doing them. And then I'll get the second geocache, because I know how they work. Report 2. Small abnormal readings still occurring with odd regularity. Recalibrating always fixes them, but they come back the next day. I also keep finding dead squirrels outside the door. Looks like maybe an animal is leaving them, but I'm noting it as per my instructions. Come back tomorrow for another report. Alright. So then we do sins. Yeah, I'm going the right way. Yep, there it is. Does the note still say the same thing? Every day you can yep. Boost my score. Alright, so sins are done. Alright, so we did our sins. Geocache. That's what we gotta get next. Just losing my train of thought there for a second. Ooh, have I read this note before? Maybe. Squirrel fact. In 2007, 14 squirrels were arrested in Iran. Yeah, I believe that. I know there's like that super old picture of like, what is it? A bird being arrested in Germany. It's really funny. There's the geocache. Alright, so that's 2 out of 5. Then we just go south of here. So we're done for this. Yeah, let's do day 3. We probably have enough time. And we're only like, what, 13 minutes in maybe? I don't know. Yeah, we're done. done for the day. I don't trust the poison grass stuff though. So how's the big squirrel gonna work, now that I think about it? So this was day 2. Oh, wrong room. Then we go to day 3. Oh, there's a note. I don't want squirrels, I want skin. Give me back my skin or give me yours instead. You get squirrels anyway. You get what you get and you don't get upset. I'm sleeping. Oh my god. It's a little squirrel. Yeah, you guys missed this last time. There's a little squirrel when you sleep. So is this like a blood bucket? No, it's a stick bucket. Okay. The note's gone. Alright, let's see if the other note says stuff now. Book of the Grove, chapter 4, verse 3. Rather like the righteous squirrel, the wise man stores his nuts for the proper time, but the faithless man has no nuts to store. Ye with little faith have no balls, is what it is saying. Alright, day 3. Last night I should look for tracks. Something was scratching on the window last night. I should look for tracks. Okay. Use the map to tab F to lure big squirrels. Large predators will investigate loud noises. Oh no. Those are not normal squirrel tracks. These are like bear tracks. Something out here is hunting me. Those look like bear tracks. So I got the 3rd geocache is at the mountains. I gotta go there anyway. So predators will investigate loud noises. See, I don't like the sound of that. I'm gonna try and find like an ammo place or a heal spot maybe. Try camping out there. I mean, I've already been attacked before. I just don't want to die. Squirrels use chemosensory leg and feet hairs to identify food, then track it with their fine antenna. What? Wait, what? That doesn't sound right. Okay, so the gun does make loud noises. I thought that note was like one of the predators. I thought it was creeping up on me. There's another squirrel. I heard like someone throwing up or something. I don't like the predator thing. I don't like the sound of that. I'm getting scared. I already started getting scared because of this stupid ghost squirrel. squirrels. So I see why visibility is a thing now. I might just head towards the geocache. See, I don't like the little leaf crunching that I'm hearing as well, 'cause I don't know what the hell it is. What the hell was that? It's a note. Where'd the squirrel go? I just killed it. I guess... What? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Ooh, is that the... That's not a big one. No way that's a big one. Did I actually get the big one? I did. Oh my god. I'm goated. That just moved. I swear to god that just moved. I can't be hurt in here, so... The Lady Part 3, the newly created half-woman screamed and wailed, clawing her way in circles around the room as blood poured from the bottom of her torso and entrails flopped around in hangs. The artist sobbed and looked to the old woman who was examining the pennies he'd given her. Unfazed, she caught his gaze, shrugged, and said, "I reserve a special spell for these circumstances." She pointed to an axe mounted on the wall. "That doesn't sound like a spell." So... Right, so I know there's ghost squirrels. There's a predator somewhere. Which I don't like the sound of. And I already killed the big boy. Just need one more. There's one. What the? Why did I take damage? Right, well, I gotta get the geocache. Is it here? It is. Not here. Yeah, it's up this one. I might just like book it home. I might not even care about predators. If I just like make a break for it and run home. Might be fine. Oh, I can't though. I can't just book it and run home. Because not only do I need the geocache, but I gotta do the other stuff. Ooh. Okay. Well, actually this is a very high point, so I'm gonna scope out the area for any possible predators. Why is the mountain making grass sounds? That's a thing. That's a ghost squirrel. That's a ghost squirrel. Can I shoot them? I can. Okay, so I got to go. I gotta go northwest, I'm pretty sure. It's either northwest or northeast. Yeah, it's northwest. So I gotta go northwest. This is scary. Okay, so there's ghost squirrels, which I can shoot, it seems. So that's awesome. I can still defend myself. They don't do a lot of damage, but they do enough to where I don't want to take damage. But what the hell is the predator? That's what I'm worried about. I might have to I might just crouch walk though. West of the way. Rest of the way. That, I might just do that, cause then, I don't know. Once I get to the side, I'll feel safer. Okay. Also, they're up in the trees, the ghost squirrels, it appears. So I can't see them. Right, now I feel safer though. But that is a piece of wood, okay. Predators are attracted to loud noises. I feel like if I just... It's freaking ambient noises that keep getting me. Because I'm thinking maybe I just book it and then I'll be fine. Because I'm all the way on the side. But then the freaking ambient noise comes and I'm like, oh, now I'm too scared because I don't know what they mean. But you know what? I don't care anymore. Okay, I kind of care. Yeah, I think it is. Just don't make too much noise and you'll be fine. Type thing. But what sucks is that I have to go here, then I gotta go to the sin place, cause I want to do more sin. I've already done it 2 times in a row. Why not a third? And then I get to go home. Should I try booking it home? I might. I don't even want to read those notes anymore. I only care about the 2 part notes. Because they're the only things that seem to be a story. The other things seem to just be obscure lore type things. There's root beer behind the house. There's root beer behind the thing. Root beer, you got it. Oh my god, dude, my mouse. I'm actually getting startled. Alright, root beer, you gotta help me, root beer. Root beer, no, root beer, root beer. I'm gonna get the root beer and I'm gonna book it because I feel like then I'll be faster than whatever can chase me. I could very much be wrong, but I don't know. Report 3. There's something in the woods here that we didn't expect. I keep finding tracks, and I hear it at night, moving through the foliage and scratching on the concrete. And in the morning, there are squirrels outside the door with their limbs all pulled off and their heads twisted around. Dozens of them, requesting a call for instructions on how to proceed. I don't like the sound of that, because then that is not a bear. Okay, that's just the wind. Do I book it to the Sin Cabin? Alright, let me look at the map. So I book it to the Sin Cabin, and I can go all the way and then south. That might be the game plan. That might be the game plan. Screw it. Let's go. Alright. We're done. Keep hugging the wall. Oh, there's another one. Yes, root bear. Thank you, root bear. Alright, I win. I'll be able to make it to the house in time, and the predator didn't find me. Or I didn't find it. And there's like a low growl that I hear. Alright, we're done. Oh my god, dude. I did not like that. Alright, anything? What the hell? Why are they in here now? Hello? I already stapled one to it. That was an accident. Yeah, they aren't in here. There's no note or anything about it either. They just like straight up moved. Is this note different? No, it is not. Yeah, they just like straight up moved. Okay. I mean, whatever. I stapled one to them already. Alright, well now they have 5 more squirrels stapled to them. They got more squirrels. Yay, squirrels! Alright, then go to bed. Let's see if they come back. Alright, they are back now. Alright, sick. Alright guys, well, I think that's gonna be it for this one. God, that actually got me. I don't know why or what it is, but that was so scary to me. Alright. But I think that's it for now, guys. I'll see you next time.